This is a quick tutorial on the invitation process and what the parent sees on their side once you've actually invited them. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to click on the parent tab at the top. I'm going to click on all parents. It'll pull up this page, and then obviously to invite the parent you would have had the child in the system already, and you're going to click on add parent. Parent 2 would generally be the dad. Let's just put in here Mr. Barry. Okay, you can put in any email address there and then click on add parent. Once you've invited the parent, they are going to receive an email that looks like this. It's going to be coming from no reply at ChildCloud, so they can't actually reply to this email address. It'll address the parent by their name, and then it'll just basically say the seed will be using ChildCloud to stay connected with you, providing secure access to your child's profile, attendance, news, photos, events, and much more. They're going to click here to accept or decline the invitation. So let's go ahead and do that. There's also a video they can watch explaining ChildCloud. So I'm going to click here. So now they've got an option to either accept and activate their profile to be connected to their child, or they can decline the invitation. So if I click decline, it'll say that we respect your rights. We do mention that we are puppy compliant and that we are secure. But if they still want to go ahead and decline, please just leave an explanation. If they click submit, that explanation of why they want to decline will be sent to your school's administration account. But for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to click on agree to activate the profile. It's important here to now create a secure password. So these are the different fields that the parent would need to enter to create a secure password. So I'm just going to add one here, springtime 2024, with a $sign. Now that would meet all the requirements needed. The parent could just go ahead and click that. What's important here is I accept, and this would be your school's name, the seed, terms and conditions. Now these pull through from your school's profile page, so you can upload your own school's terms and conditions. So basically what's happening here is the parent is now agreeing to be connected via ChildCloud, and also at the same time agrees to your school's terms and conditions. So the parent will click that box and then click on submit. It says your account is now activated. Click here to go to your child's dashboard. Okay, so there we go. So the parent is now logged in, and hopefully your school has already uploaded some content for the parents to view. The parents are going to be presented with the Personal Protection Information Act copy. They can read through all of this. We've got our privacy policy, all our terms and conditions from our side, and then they can click submit. That then stores that. Your agreement has been saved and it's stored. If you ever need a copy of that, you can just reach out to ChildCloud. And that is it. So the parents have now access to all the different features that you're uploading on ChildCloud. They'll get a push notification, and at the very end there's a little video they can watch, and they can download the new parent app for Android or iOS. And every single time that your school uploads anything like news, reminders, the parent will get a push notification to their phone. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.